Hi everyone. Today we will discuss an important concept in the HTML that is called as a mail. Generally, a mailbox is used in a website. Means whenever a client sees that website, he asks all his doubts with the developer by using that mailbox. So a conversation takes place by using that mailbox between a client and the developer. So let's implement the mailbox. So,